él ha hecho todo lo que ha querido en su vida y más. O sea, en ese
Así
sentido.
Así es, cuando te vayas, vete con el tanque lleno, ¿no?
Sí, una vida súper chingona, sí.
Es lo que yo digo, que siempre no te vayas como diciendo, di.
It's very light. It has a magnet, which I love, and it can be read in our smartphone. So we are going to use this and show you that it comes in our kit. You can order one of these from us, and it already comes with a hose in our kit that we make available.
It is important to divide the unsterile version of the manometer from the patient, because
Es importante separar la parte que ustedes van a usar con todos los pacientes y la parte que es específica para cada paciente que viene estéril, y cada paciente puede tener su kit, y tenemos la trampa de agua que va a proteger que no haya una contaminación cruzada con los pacientes. Entonces, esto se puede usar para todos los pacientes y lleva su trampa de agua que evita la contaminación.
So the applicator and the manometer can be coupled. Normally use a special connector to the Dundas space.
Donder or Franklin.
It's Dundas connector. That's good.
So this can be used or kept in the office for every patient in their chart, or every patient can take it with them and they have to bring it when they come in for their appointment.
The app locker can be connected to the Dundas measuring.
Se conecta el,
Okay. So it can be passed through the app locker in direction to the Dundas space. This little tube may have different lengths, and in the dental model or directly in the patient's mouth, it can be adjusted to the length between the upper and the center of the Dundas space. So after placing the tube, we then connect this end of the tube with the three elements. This is the elements of the applicator already with the connector to the manometer. We can remove it and put it aside. Then we have the element which consists of three-way valve. This is the second part, which can be separated, and the third part is the manometer itself. So now we connect the applicator with this connector to the water trap. And the instrument now can be used to measure the pressure inside the mouth. This opening allows entrance of air pressure into the complete system. After placing the applicator into the mouth with the Donda connector, then we can close the three-way valve so that there is a direct connection between the Donda space via the three-way valve and the water trap to the manometer. And the manometer now is separated from the patient by the water trap. By this way, the patient cannot be contaminated by another use of the device, by another use of the manometer. So there is a little change of air pressure in this context.
Okay.
So Dr. Please do the activation process. Swallow. At first, we observe very strong negative pressure, and then the pressure is at about 200. Now we have 60 millibars. This is 8 milliliters, 11 millibar. And this level of negative pressure can be adjusted by the patient and the person who is training the patient. Okay, again, now the pressure, the negative pressure by swallowing has been increased, and you may calibrate your pressure at about 15 to 20 millibar. This is hasta 20 milibares y mantenemos este nivel por minutos. Es la intención, tener una presión negativa continua, constante por minutos. So the most important thing is that we maintain the pressure at the level of about 15 millibars negative pressure for minutes, because this is, so we're trying to achieve a negative pressure of about 50 millibars, not exactly 50 millibars, but in the range between 10 and 20 millibars. And you may teach the patient or the person who uses the device to maintain this pressure for a long time. It is important to measure at the level of the blunder space in order that no saliva is interfering with the measurement. Therefore, the water trap is very important. Cleaning of the device. We can clean this little device another time with higher flow of air. So
At one point, I went down 141, and that's when I was swallowed. Because when you swallow, you generate these very, very high negative pressures. And then I had to let go. And I was very comfortable at between 15, 16. That was a very comfortable position for me. I've practiced a lot with this. So and I had a good place. There we are. So I paused it, and we have the profile, the pressure profile right there. And this software allows us to go in, and it says right here, generate PDF, but you can log your data and you can create a PDF. I like creating a PDF with one measurement so that we keep this on the patient's chart, and we know when they come in next time, we have all their measurements where they were more comfortable.
So anything he makes something about breathing, and then she said, oh, we have a problem, and my husband got a problem, and then other patient hit it in the waiting area, and two of them came and said, yeah, I will get appointments, and I would like to have a concept with early intervention and diagnosis, even when the child are very small. So if we see signals for pathology, for pathologic breathing, we can make some exercise or like that. So we need a
Yeah, Dr. Sam,
a concept for different ages and different patients. So we need a concept that everyone know in this kind of office, so that when people came, they say, okay, you are the problem. And I talked to Lufit, so then we make some videos and to inform the patient, because I don't want to talk 100 times a month about this. So we need some videos and to talk about this and to inform the patient.
this to be handled by a a staff member. That this is
Yes,
her
yes,
title,
yes.
this is her hat, and she takes care of everything.
Yeah.
And if there's questions, she is capable of answering the
yeah.
questions. If there's more questions, she can say, look, I will show you the process for the 4-year-old.
Mhm.
And you can sit in this room and I will play 45 minutes for you. And then when you finish, you
Mhm.
ask me questions
Yeah.
and then you are completely free. You are not involved in
Yeah,
the process.
yeah.
And the parent sees, and then they have a few questions.
I think it must not be something of our current stuff. So we can take a new employee maybe. It's just focused on it.
Yes.
Not on these other things here running in the office. Focused on this. And so I thought we need somebody who makes some exercises with people. And so we start, I think, with our new website.
Yeah,
So
to
it's not-
implement a Breathe 4.0 coordinator.
Yeah.
So you can choose a member, send it to be trained. So she knows how to introduce the topic, how to, in the website, she can have a introduction.
Yeah, and I think it's like rocket, like it's going like a rocket.
Yes,